Hi guys, it's me, Adam Garratt. Welcome back to the channel. Now boy have I got a recipe for you today, alright? It's the most delicious spaghetti and meatballs you're ever going to have. In fact, it's less of a recipe, more of a religious experience, I'd say. And don't go looking for any other recipes, right? They're all imposters. They're nowhere near as good as this. Italian Americans are going to bow down at my feet and worship me as the god of spaghetti and meatballs. I kid you not. And it's very simple to do as well, right? There's only a handful of ingredients, but the most important thing is that your ingredients are top notch, right? We only use the best. Right, that's enough of me blabbing on. We've got a pan here of boiling water. We need to get the pasta on, so let's go and do that now. Right, okay, so our water is boiling. I've added the salt. We're going to add the spaghetti. Now, of course, this isn't just any old spaghetti. This is 100% Italian durum wheat spaghetti, only the best on this channel. And also this has been pressed through a bronze die. And what that does is it creates a rough surface on the pasta, which helps the sauce kind of stick to it. Now what we need to do is to add the spaghetti to the water, and to open the packet, all you do is just take it like so, good firm grip, and just go like that. And it doesn't work. So what you need to do is get some scissors out and open the packet like a normal person. So I'm going to take enough spaghetti for 2 people and we'll get that in the pan. Simple. Now the spaghetti will take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, so really we need to crack on with the meatballs. Now they're very simple to do, they're not going to take very long at all, so we'll crack on and do that now. Right, okay, so let's get on with these meatballs. Really simple to do. The only things you need are one of these and one of these. And what we need to do is just put the pan on the hob, and the first thing we need to do is to open this tin. Okay, really simple guys. Just use the ring pull, pull that open. Amazing. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to get your pan here, and we need to empty our delicious meatballs in like so. Now a little tip for you is always read the back of the can, because they give some real helpful culinary tips on there, such as this one, adding chopped cherry tomatoes whilst heating the meatballs to give extra flavour. So f it, we'll do that as well. Now this is a really critical step guys. We need to gently heat those meatballs because God forbid you should overcook them. So I'm going to cook those for about 5 minutes until they're nice and warm through, and then we can assemble the dish and give it that all important taste test. Right, okay, we're ready to serve. Got my nice plate here. Let's go in with our amazing al dente spaghetti. And I'm just going to add a sprinkling of pepper, just for that extra flavour. And now we can add those amazing meatballs. So let's just nestle those on the top like so. Okay, we don't want too many, we don't want to overdo it. And then of course some of that amazing sauce. Now what this dish is crying out for is to finish it off with some really good olive oil. Don't skimp on that, alright? Don't get any old cheap rubbish. You know, this channel is all about quality ingredients that no one can afford. So I've only got the best here, right? And that's this 10 quid bottle of extra virgin Tuscan olive oil. So we're going to finish it off with that. Oh, that olive oil just smells amazing. We're just going to drizzle some of that over the top, and that's going to add a real nice flavour. Now of course the dish would not be complete without some greenage, so I've got some lovely young sweet fresh basil leaves. And then we have it, that's my ultimate spaghetti and meatballs. I'm going to go and take a thumbnail and then we can get stuck in. Right then, here it is, my ultimate spaghetti and meatballs. Oh, it smells amazing. Let's dive in. Oh, the texture of those meatballs is interesting. Mmm, delicious. Do you know, it's so delicious that I'm a bit full. Yeah, I don't think I can manage all of that. I might have some a bit later. Well, there we are guys, that's my ultimate spaghetti and meatballs. What an assault on the senses that was. Hope you like the recipe, and if you do, then please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this recipe. I've worked long and hard to develop this. It's taken a long time, weeks of kitchen development. But give it a go, make this for your loved one. Honestly, they're going to have nothing but positive things to say about it. And on that note, this wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, then please hit that like button, share it across your social media platforms. And at the end of this as well, you'll see some links to some of the videos. And if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. And I'll see your lovely faces next time for more tasty fun and frolics. And bye for now.